Hey guys, it's Michael back again with another video, and now I'm here at home. I've been away for quite some time, and to be honest with you guys, I made those YouTube videos, those set of YouTube videos, just as an experiment. I was really just trying to figure out the YouTube game and see if I would be any good at doing any YouTube videos, and the outpouring of support and the comments and everyone reaching out has been enormous. It's been incredible. So I really thank you guys for the support and the positive words that you guys have sent my way. There's a lot of questions in the comments that I know a lot of people have been asking. But just an update on where I'm at. I'm finally at an airline. I just want to let you guys know that I made it. I made it. Following the same advice that I gave you guys, I made it. It was a process. It was a journey. But I'm now flying a giant A321 and the A320 as well, flying that around the world, and I'm super excited. I went straight from a Cessna 172, and then I went into an A320. So it's been a journey, and I love it. It's better than I could have ever expected. It's better than anything anybody has told me. I know during the past, in the past, I would constantly debate with myself whether the pilot dream was really actually as legit as people say it is, right? Is it a lot of fluff? You know, there are negatives, right? There are down, sides to being away for a long time, especially if you have a family, career, a significant other. It can be stressful in that regard, but as far as my current situation, as far as how I'm enjoying it, I have never been happier. It gives me the flexibility, it gives me the free time. Of course, right now I'm on something called reserve, so I am at mercy of the airline to when they call me. So there are a set of days when I'm working and technically on standby. So if they call me, then I have to get ready and I have to be at the airport within 2 hours. So that's what I'm on right now. I would say the schedule is pretty nice because especially as we go into the slow season, they don't call me as much, but I spend the time studying and making sure that I'm working on my flows, working on my limitations, memory items, all of it. My next video and subsequent videos are gonna be along the lines again of helpful tips for you guys, helpful tips for people who are new in the aviation world, and helpful tips for people who are CFIs trying to get into the airlines. I know that the industry has kind of slowed down now, and I know people out there might want some helpful advice on how to go about that. And then, of course, I have been through the process. I've gone through the airline training process twice, actually. And I'll tell you guys the full story of that. But I went through it twice. So I kind of know, I've gathered some new techniques on how to study for sims or what to expect or how to be treated at your airline and how should you present yourself when you go into any area. So I want to share the knowledge that I've learned along the way. This is a new career for me. I've had a previous career. There's a new career, and I'm super excited to really get on this journey. And I hope that I can share with you guys as I go along the way. Guys, again, I'm really happy and I'm really appreciative of the support that you guys have given me. I'm in a new apartment here, so I'm gonna be recording a lot more videos out, and hopefully they can help you guys along your aviation journey as well. Until next time, guys, fly safe, and hope to see you very soon.